Why is it that some companies run their machines for years without major breakdowns, while others are constantly shutting down production? In real industrial environments, breakdowns are not just technical problems, they are business problems. They affect production, increase cost, and in some cases, compromise safety. And yet, while some organizations constantly struggle with downtime, others operate with surprising stability. The difference is not luck, it is maintenance. So what exactly does maintenance involve, and why does it make such a significant difference? Maintenance is the process of keeping machines, tools, and systems in good working condition through regular inspection, servicing, and repair. Historically, maintenance began as a reactive activity. Machines were only fixed after they failed. As industries grew and downtime became costly, this approach proved unsustainable. This led to preventive maintenance, where equipment was serviced on a schedule, whether it failed or not. Today, maintenance has evolved even further. Contemporary maintenance is no longer about fixing breakdowns. It is a strategic discipline focused on reliability, safety, cost optimization, and preventing failures before they occur. So, why does maintenance matter so much? In today's global business environment, producing high-quality products and delivering services at competitive costs is essential for survival. Meeting customer expectations on their schedule requires equipment and systems that are available, reliable, and predictable. A strong maintenance plan ensures that your assets don't just work, they work when they are needed most. Firstly, it prevents costly breakdowns. When machines stop unexpectedly, production halts, deadlines are missed, and costs rise rapidly. Secondly, it improves safety. Well-maintained equipment is far less likely to cause accidents or endanger operators. Thirdly, it extends equipment life. Regular maintenance can add years of service to expensive assets, delaying costly replacements. And finally, it boosts efficiency. Machines that run smoothly consume less energy, produce better quality output, and keep customers satisfied. This is why maintenance isn't just a technical task. It is a strategic investment. And this thinking is not theoretical. Companies like Shell, Siemens, and Toyota embed maintenance directly into their operations strategy. They use reliability-centered maintenance, performance tracking, and digital systems to predict failures before production is ever affected. In professional maintenance, we don't start by asking, "How do I fix this?" We start by asking three deeper questions. What can fail? What happens if it fails? And how do we stop it before it ever reaches the customers? This mindset is what separates someone who reacts to breakdowns from a maintenance professional who designs reliability into the system. In real organizations, maintenance isn't managed with guesswork. Assets are registered, inspections are logged, and every fault becomes data. Over time, that data tells a story: which machines are reliable, which ones are risky, and where money should be spent before problems appear. This is how maintenance evolves from a cost center into a performance system. Let me share something I've seen firsthand. In a facility I manage, a standby generator that seemed fine was skipped during a routine inspection. 2 weeks later, during a power outage, it refused to start. Not because of a major fault, but because a simple battery terminal had loosened. That single missed check shut down part of operations for over an hour. That's when you realize maintenance doesn't fail loudly. It fails quietly and then all at once. To wrap up, maintenance is not just about keeping machines running or fixing something when it breaks. It is about ensuring reliability, safety, and long-term performance through a strong maintenance culture and disciplined execution. So whether you work in manufacturing, oil and gas, power, or facility management, remember this: anyone can fix a breakdown, but it takes only a maintenance professional to prevent the breakdown from ever happening. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this content, please give it a like and share it with your team. Subscribe for more practical engineering and maintenance insights. And make sure you watch our next video: preventive versus corrective maintenance. What most engineers get wrong. Until next time, stay reliable, stay prepared, and keep thinking like an engineer.